are you making, Jeevika?
I am making a paper bag.
Out of a newspaper?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have also made a paper bag, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what have you used to make this?
Ma'am, brown paper.
Brown paper and?
Ma'am, old shoelace.
Very nice, and you have decorated it. And what is the purpose of making it?
Ma'am, because I want to encourage people to use paper bags.
Very nice. So you know that plastic is harmful?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And what are you doing?
Ma'am,
You are also making a paper bag. You have almost made it.
yes, ma'am.
So, why are you making this?
Ma'am, because we want to encourage people to stop using plastic bags.
Very good. Say no to plastic, okay?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
you've made a lot of paper bags, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. And you've decorated it. So, you are going to gift it to whom?
Ma'am, our
Gift it to whom?
parents.
Our parents, not your teachers? We are going to gift these paper bags to whom? So that they may use paper bags.
Instead of plastic.
Yes, very nice. Okay. So, Muskan, what is this?
This is a bird feeder.
So, it is not complete yet. You are making it, no? It
Yes,
is in the
ma'am.
process. You have put some rice here?
Yes, ma'am.
What things have you used?
I
What things?
old shoe box.
Okay. And a plastic lid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And where are you going to put it?
At my home.
Okay. You want birds to come at your place?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to feed them?
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very nice. Very good. What you guys are doing? Making a paper bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Anybody else who has made something else? Yes. What is this, Farhan? What have you made?
This is a tote bag.
This is a tote bag. Very nice. And you have made this tote bag out of
A t-shirt.
old t-shirt? Very nice. Have you stitched it?
No,
No. You just cut it and made it and tied some knots. Okay. Very nice. And why you made this tote bag?
Because I don't want to use plastic polythene bags because they are very harmful for our environment.
Very nice. Sit down. So, this means that you are making tote bags, paper bags. How beautiful. Na? So, you are going to gift me one? I will also use these paper bags. They are very nice. Show me. Yes, very nice. Show me your tote bags. Show me your tote bags. All of you. Show me your tote bags. I'm coming to you. Show me your tote bag. Show me your paper bags also. Show me. Show me your bird feeders. Show me your bird feeders. Anshul, show your bird feeder. No. This way. Yes. Yes. Show it, show it. Very nice. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. This one is the best one. This one is the best one. Bird feeder. You just put the dry leaves or grass here, okay? You have completed it? Okay, I'm coming to you. What is this, Satna? You have made a bird feeder?
Yes, ma'am.
Very beautiful, very nice. You want birds to come at your place? You'll feed them? Okay, very nice. Where are you going to put it? At your home. Very nice, very good. Sit down. Yes, you have also made a bird feeder?
Yes.
Put some grass here also. Yes? And you are going to put it at your home. You want bird to come? Okay. Thank you. So you have completed your things or you are still in the process of making the things?
Yes.
You have made your paper bags?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show it for the last time. Your complete works. Show them for the last time. Your bird feeders too. Show them. Show them. Show them. Now put your things down. So what is the message of making this? What is the purpose behind making these all things? Jeevika?
Because polythene bags are very harmful.
You know this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
We are making all these things because we want to use paper bags. all these paper bags to your teachers, your relatives, your friends, your parents, and encourage them? Encourage them to use? So we have a selfie point there. You are going to have a photograph there. You are going to click yourself at the selfie point, and you have to take a pledge. You know that?
Yes.
What is the pledge? That you'll reuse things, recycle things, and reduce what? Reduce the waste, right? And reuse, recycle,
Recover.
So you have to take that pledge, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Promise?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are going to follow these things in your life, seriously.
Yes,
Say no to plastic. Use these bags. Seriously, you are going to use these bags?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Clap for yourself.